guys, are you hanging with me? Are we on, like, I don't know, glass number 2 or 3? Is it 1 per dish? Maybe we should make that a rule. Okay, video number 3. We've got our turkey in the oven. We've got our corn-baked casserole. Now we are doing, drum roll please, green bean casserole. There is nothing fancy about this casserole. This is on the back of the French's fried onions. It's the best one. Like, don't fix it if it ain't broken. My mama taught me this recipe. And forever I thought, oh, that's her recipe. It's not her recipe at all. So pick up some French's fried onions, turn it over, there's your recipe. All right, here we go. Okay, so you're probably wondering, why is she showing us something off the back of a box? This is for those that have never cooked Thanksgiving meals. Maybe it's your first time, maybe it's your first wedding anniversary and you're trying to show off. You gotta have green bean casserole. Like, it's a staple at Thanksgiving. So you want the French style cut green beans, not whole green beans. You want 2 cans of those. You do drain them or strain them. You don't want the juice in it. Whatever you need to do to make the juice not be there, go ahead and do that. Okay? Then you're gonna take 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Don't be buying the healthy, all those things. Buy the real one, okay? Grandpa can tell, I promise you. You just take 1 can of the cream of mushroom, mix it in with your green beans. I'm telling you, your mother-in-law is gonna think you're a gourmet chef if you come with a green bean casserole. Then you're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of milk. Whatever milk you have, preferably not skim. This is 2%. Add that. Do salt and pepper to your taste. There's no measurement. Okay, so I added a new ingredient. It's called salt. That is not in the recipe, but just add a little. Then you're gonna take your fried onions. I like to mix them through the casserole and then on top. Hardest part of the recipe. Cameraman, can you get that for me? You're the best. Just sprinkle them around. Mix them up. It kind of gives you that crunch in the middle of the casserole. You can do this same recipe and add asparagus if you'd like. That's really good. Or instead of the fried onions, you can do Ritz crackers. There's so many options. Okay, so we've got them all mixed in together. Then you're just going to top the entire casserole with fried onions. Make sure you get all the corners. This is gonna bake for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You don't want it to be runny, so make sure that milk has cooked down. And that is it, green bean casserole. Okay, so far we have our turkey, we have our corn-baked casserole, and now our green bean casserole. Make sure you head over, watch those videos in the series, and let me know, what is your favorite dish? And as always, like, share, and subscribe to Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Thank you. Don't put this sound in there.